Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss deck of cards. On deck of cards. For a deck of card, find the of probability of a red card. Getting a red card. Second, probability of getting a 5. Probability of getting a red and 5. Getting 5 given red card. Next is getting red like red card given it is 5. Getting a red card, getting 5, getting a red and 5, getting 5 given red card, and getting red card given it is 5. So we'll see one by one. The first one is probability of getting a red card. Now, out of 52 cards, the total number of cards are 52, and out of these 52 cards, there are 26 red cards, so the probability will be 1 by 2. That is 26 out of 52 cards. Second one is getting a 5. So there are 4 5s, that is from each suit we can get 1 5. So we have 4 such 5 numbers, 5 card out of 52 cards. So this is 1 by 30. 4 cards out of 52. Probability of red and 5. So out of 52 cards, we have 4 cards which are 5, and of them 2 are black and 2 are red. So we need the card to be red and 5 both. So this is 2 out of 52 cards. So that is 1 by 26. So this is 2 cards out of 52. Next is probability that the card is 5 given it is red. Now this is the conditional probability, and we have studied conditional probability where the sample space reduces or changes. So generally the sample space is 52 cards, but the condition is that the cards are red, given that the cards are red. So if the cards are red, it cannot be 52 anymore. It will be only 26 such cards. And out of these 26 cards, that is 13 reds will be from heart and 13 reds from diamond. And each of the suit will have 1 5. So that means there are going to be 22, there are going to be 2 5 cards out of 26 cards, which is 1 by 13. So this is 2 cards out of 26. And the last is probability of red given 5. So given 5, again this is a conditional probability. So the number of the sample space changes. We don't have 52 cards now. the cards are 5. So there are only 4 such cards which are 5. So the sample space reduces to 4, and out of this 4 we'll have 2 black cards and 2 red cards. 2 black cards, like 1 5 will come from 1 5 will come from spade, 1 5 will come from club, 1 5 will come from the red one which is diamond, the 1 5 will come from the red one which is heart. So there are 2 such cards which are red, given that the cards are 5. So this is 1 by 2. So this is 2 cards out of 4. We can make one more justification here. We have studied that probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B given A, or it is equal to probability of B into probability of A given B, right? So the condition is probability of red and 5. We have studied that this value is red and 5 is 1 by 26. So this is 1 by 26. A into B given A. So this is probability of red, which is 1 by 2, into probability of 5 given the card is red. So 1 by 13. So it is 1 by 2, or I'll say probability of red, probability 5 given red, and this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 13. Again, this is also 1 by 26 only. And the next one is probability of 5 into probability of red given 5. So probability of getting a 5 is 1 by 13, and red given 5 is 1 by 2. So this is 1 by 13 into 1 by 2. So this is also 1 by 26. So we have studied the probability in exams. The fourth point we have studied the A intersection B is probability of A into probability of B given A, or otherwise probability of B into probability of A given B. So we can see it is satisfied here.